Hey everyone. So if you're like me and love capturing those epic rides on your Insta360X3, you probably know the struggle of getting decent audio. I mean, what's the point of recording those breathtaking moments if all you hear is wind noise, right? I decided to invest in the DJI Bluetooth mic, thinking it would solve all my problems. Well, let me tell you, it's been quite the journey. In this video, I'm going to take you through everything I tried to finally get great audio with my Insta360. Spoiler alert. It wasn't as straightforward as I hoped. First, let's talk about the rubber cover and foam I used to wrap over the mic. This was my initial attempt to block out the wind noise. Did it work? Sort of. It helped a bit, but the audio was still far from perfect. So next I tried repositioning the mic. I thought maybe if I placed it somewhere less exposed to the wind, things would improve. I stuck it under my jacket, then on my helmet, and even tried taping it to my bike, but no luck. The sound was muffled or still had that annoying wind noise. I even tried using different settings on the DJI mic, hoping to find the magic combination, but after a lot of trial and error, I still wasn't satisfied. So here's the takeaway. If you're struggling with audio on your Insta360X3, don't give up on that DJI mic just yet. There is a way to get the sound that you always wanted. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you nail those perfect audio moments on your rides. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tips and adventures. If you're banking on the DJI transmitter to deliver solid Bluetooth audio, I've got some bad news. It just won't cut it. After countless attempts and a lot of face palms, I found the only way to get anything usable is to record directly onto the mic itself. Yep, the mic's got internal storage, and that's your secret weapon. The best sound quality I managed was by tucking the mic into my seat bag and syncing the audio with the video later. So save yourself the headache, and remember, Bluetooth audio and the DJI transmitter are just not a match made in tech heaven. Hope this helps. Stay creative and play safe out there. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel.